Hi, this is
Stalin.
Stalin and this is iPhone 6. Now I'm going to tell you how to install an app
OpenTok.
using iPhones. So there are many applications available in iPhone. There is a app called App Store, blue color and written with the alphabet A. So click that. See the App Store. Click this. And if you click this, there will be a lot of other tools, feature, categories, object, search, updates. So now go to the search, and type here your required.
Open TOK. That's right.
Type the required app you want to install. There are 3, and if you want to open OpenTok, select the second one, OpenTok app. Now you find this is the application. Now you want to install, right? So click get. It will say install, then press install. Now it's loading. For iPhones, when you want to install app, you need a Apple ID. So now it's asking the Apple ID. This is my ID and I am typing the password. Then type buy. Never mind, it's not paid.
So buy is never paid.
Yeah.
So they
It's
will
free
click
only.
buy. Okay, then after that,
Just click buy. So the very important is your Apple ID and password. It will show you buy. However, you can proceed.
yeah, so it's free.
It's free now. Now you see start. There will be you can see scrolling. It will started now. You can see it is downloading now. Then it will appear on the screen. Then click register and the usual procedures.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Thank you very much, Mr. Stalin, the guru in application.
Application of apples.
So I hope, guys, that it helped you how to install the OpenTok using
Using iPhone.
iPhone. Thank you, Mr. Stalin, for your time.